Hi everyone! Welcome back to Maggie's Food Gallery. Today, we are making a mango gelatin. First, we need the following: all-purpose cream, condensed milk, evaporated milk, Gulaman powder, sweetened mango flavor, another Gulaman powder but this time unflavored white, fresh ripe mangoes, and be sure that they are sweet. So let's start making our mango gelatin. Let's make our first layer. Heat 3 cups of evaporated milk in the pan. 1, 2, and 3. Gradually add in 1 pack of mango flavored Gulaman powder. Keep on stirring until simmer. When it is already starting to boil, we move from heat and transfer to a container. Set aside and refrigerate while we are going to make our second layer. Okay, let's start up on cutting the mangoes into small chunks. Okay, this time, heat 1 pack of all-purpose cream and 1/2 cup of condensed milk. Stir until simmer. Add 1 pack of unflavored Gulaman powder. Do it gradually. Alright. Stir until completely dissolved. Put in the mango chunks. Stir continually until the mixture is reaching its boiling point. Okay. Let's stir it more. So, as you can see, it is already boiling. So, let's turn off the heat and transfer it to the container. We are going to pour it over the first layer. Alright, this time let's refrigerate the mango gelatin for at least 2 hours. This is best served when cold, and you can also add up additional fresh mango at the top before serving. This is another simple and easy recipe you can try at home. If you enjoyed our video, please comment, like, and subscribe.